Do fish talk? Yes, they do. But they don't talk like we do. They communicate through sound, colors, and even motions. That's why spear fishermen like me use several ways to attract some fish. One of them is by grunting underwater. By doing this, fish will get curious and will swim around to check you out. Some fish are more curious than others and will take its time to check you out, like this barracuda. But others will just pass you by like this yellow-spotted trevally. Luckily, I was able to spot it right away and shot it instinctively. And yes, that grunt is coming from the trevally. Spearfishing is so much fun. Not just when you spear a good quality fish, but also when you encounter other marine creatures like this eagle ray. That makes you appreciate and respect the marine environment even more.